Hello, in this video I want to show you how to mount different fixtures in your kitchen and your bathroom in a long-lasting manner without damaging your tiles. Now I suggest you watch this video till the end because I've got many interesting things along the way. So let's go and watch the video.
The first thing we think of when we want to hang something on the wall is we get out our drill and make a hole in the wall. And you put in a screw, a nail, or anything. But when it comes to tiles, any hole in a tile is final. It can't be fixed. Once we've done the hole, there's no case of moving the fixture. The hole is there, we can't repair it, we have to change the tile for it to recover its original appearance. And renewing the tiles is no joke, especially if you can't find the same pattern. If we keep on moving fixtures, we'll have the wall full of holes all over the place. The hole is done, the wall is done. So then we focus our attention on those self-adhesive hooks or adhesive strips for other fixtures. First of all, we have to clean the surface with a paint thinner or white or mineral spirits, something that will take all the grease and oils off and then evaporates. You peel off the paper cover and then we press the fixture on the wall. We wait a while, about a minute, for it to get stuck on there well. And once it's stuck on there, we can leave it there for about 24 hours for it to be permanent. Then we can start hanging things on it. But when you want to hang something on it, the very thing collapses. A day after, a week after, maybe even a month after, eventually it just simply collapses. It doesn't take the weight or anything, and it simply doesn't last. That's typical. All these products are just the same thing. You've tried all the brands, you waste a whole lot of money in each one, and there's no way. They're all the same thing. Then you look at your drill, and it's tempting. But no, don't. The solution is easier than what you think. Get all those fixtures that fell off, peel off the adhesive, and stick them on with silicone. Silicone is much tougher than what you think. You have to put a lot of silicone so it covers all the surface and thick enough so that when you squash it against the wall, silicone will come out on the sides. The more surface you can cover with silicone, the better. Then you put it on the wall, you press it a bit with your fingers so it covers all the space below the plastic, and it even comes out on the sides. And in this sort of small one, I can leave it there and it won't fall down. But if it's heavier, you have to keep your finger holding onto it as much as possible. And if you ever want to move the fixture, silicone is very easy to remove. Taking out, removing, eliminating all residues. Those other things, it sticks on much harder. It is much more difficult to remove. And those fixtures we find in bathrooms are also quite big. They aren't so big, and we just put a bit of silicone on the back of them, take off the adhesive they have, put silicone, stick them on, and they won't fall down there. There's different kinds for the glasses, for the soap. Once it's dry, you put on the cover there. In the shower, the same thing. On the doors, are these. So if you ever want to put a nail through it because you get desperate, don't do it. Put silicone. With silicone, we still have to prepare the surfaces to put silicone there. If we have oils and grease, we should use this scorer or maybe a paint scraper and eliminate everything that is stuck on there, and then with detergent and a good sponge we take off any bit of grease or oil there that will stop the silicone from sticking on well. And before putting the silicone on, we have to dry it well so there is no water there or humidity that might affect how it sticks on. Now, to put something heavy like this knife rack, magnetic knife rack, with silicone here, not only we have to put a good amount of silicone all over, but we'll have to hold it in place so it doesn't slip down. But it's very heavy and the silicone won't support that weight unless we put something there to hold it. We can hold it there with a finger, but we have to be there about an hour for it to really cure enough. So we have to make a contraption here to hold it and put pressure there so it won't slip down. And before we start working on this, we have to prepare the contraption, all the what we need. Okay, I hope I have enough silicone to do this. In fact, I don't. But this is just for you to see how it's done. Maybe I can do it again some other day. First of all, we place it where we want it to go. And this is my contraption. Okay. I've got a bit of rubber there. That should help to give it tension. Place that there. And okay, then we leave it like that for at least an hour, and later on it should be stuck completely. Well, it's nicely stuck on now. Let's try it. Let's put some stuff there. Knives, fork, and this slips down. Oh, too bad. Oh, but I saw a video on YouTube. I can reinforce it using a nice magnet. There we are. Anything else I want to put there? Maybe this one. There. Ready. Done. Just using silicone.
Well, my friends, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please, like always, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave your comments if you're interested in knowing something additional, or if you want to say something, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell if you want to be notified about new videos. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.